this lesson, we will be able to express a number as a product of its prime factors, which is also called as prime decomposition. We are all familiar with prime numbers, numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. Here are examples of some prime numbers. So decomposition, which means breaking down. What we will be doing is breaking down bigger numbers into product of their prime factors. Write 84 as a product of its prime factors. We have listed some prime numbers till 20 at the corner of the page. We decompose 84 into its prime factors by the factor tree method. Since 84 being an even number is divisible by 2, so we break up 84 as a product of 2 times 42. 2 being a prime number, we circle it. Hence, it cannot be further branched. 42 again being an even number is divisible by 2. So we can break up 42 as 2 times 21. 2 being a prime number, we circle it. Hence, it cannot be further branched. 21 is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by the next prime number 3. So we write 21 as a product of 3 times 7. Here 3 and 7 are both prime, hence they need to be circled. So we have finished our prime factorization. This is one way we could have done. There is another way we can write it in the form of a table. We draw a table here and we write the number 84. So 4 being an even number, we know we can divide it by 2. 84 being an even number. We write 2 here and 84 divided by 2 gives you 42. The quotient 42 has to be written here. Continue further doing it. Again 42 being an even number is divisible by 2. So 42 divided by 2 gives you 21. 21 is not divisible by 2, it's divisible by 3. So we divide 21 by 3, we get 7. 7 being a prime number is divisible only by 7 and we are left with 1. So we got the same prime factors 2, 2, 3 and 7, which we got here 2, 2, 3 and 7. So 84 is written as a product of the prime factors. We can write it in the index form as 2 is repeated twice. So 84 is 2 square into 3 into 7. How to check your answer? If you multiply your prime factors, you should get your number back. So here it is, 84 written as a product of its prime factors. You can choose whichever method you like. Let's write 240 as a product of its prime factors. Let us begin by this method. 240 being an even number is divisible by 2. We just halve the number when we divide by 2. It's still divisible by 2 as 120 is an even number. 120 divided by 2 gives you 60. Still divisible by 2. So 60 divided by 2 gives you 30. It is still divisible by 2. You get 15. Now it is no more divisible by 2. So we divide it by 3 and we get 5. Lastly, we take 5 and we are left with 1. Let us continue the same by the factor tree method. The same way, we write 240 as a product of 2 into 120. Circle the 2 as 2 is the prime number. Further continue. So you can choose whichever method you want. Once you have listed all the prime factors, let us write it in the product form. and further in the index form. I hope you have understood. Here you have some questions to practice. Write the following numbers as a product of its prime factors. The answers are given here. You can check your answers. Hope you have got the concept of prime factorizing very well. We can use the same concept of prime factorizing to find the HCF and LCM of numbers.